friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to resolve the notification error, especially in the Teams or the Microsoft Teams app. So the error is that whenever we open up our Microsoft MS Teams, then there is an error that is shown up, as that can be shown just above all the tabs we are having. The error is about the notifications are not working correctly because background activity is restricted. Change settings. So what you have to do is to click on the change settings. After clicking the change settings, you have to scroll down towards the battery option. So this is the battery option. You have to click on this, go to battery, and after going inside the battery option, here you can see that the restricted mode is already selected and chosen. So what you have to do to resolve this issue is to whether click on the optimize button or on the unrestricted. In the unrestricted mode, basically it allows battery usage in the background without restrictions, while it may use more battery. While in the optimization mode, the the consumption of your battery is optimized based on your usage. So basically most of the time it is recommended. So here in this tutorial I would be selecting optimize button, which actually best suits for me. So in this way you can actually resolve your MS Teams issue. Now you can see that our issue has been resolved, and then I would again open up my Teams app, and I hope that it would not show again. As you can see, our error, or you can say the notification error, has been fully solved. Thanks for watching.